Unlock a treasure trove of Amazon shoppers by seamlessly integrating Amazon Pay into your Shopify store today. First things first, log into your Shopify Admin panel. You'll need to navigate to the Settings section. Look for it down on the bottom left corner of your screen. Within Settings, find and click on the Payments option. This is where you'll manage all your store's payment methods. Now scroll down the Payments page until you see the section for third-party providers or payment providers. This is where we'll add Amazon Pay. Click on the button to add payment provider. This will open up a list of available payment gateways you can integrate. Scan through the list and locate Amazon Pay. Once you've found it, click on it to begin the setup process. You'll be presented with the Amazon Pay setup screen here. You'll need to input your Amazon Seller Central credentials. If you don't have an Amazon Seller Central account yet, you'll need to create one first. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect your Amazon Seller Central account with your Shopify store. This usually involves granting specific permissions. Once your accounts are linked, you'll have access to Amazon Pay's configuration options. You can typically set your store's currency and choose how the Amazon Pay button will appear on your checkout page. And just like that, you've successfully added Amazon Pay to your Shopify store. Now, millions of Amazon customers can enjoy a familiar and trusted checkout experience. This integration offers enhanced trust and convenience, potentially leading to higher conversion rates and expanding your reach to a much wider customer base. Happy selling!